2 weeks ago, I decided to make more channel of YouTube. So I started this channel and Korean vlog channel and also speaking Portuguese running channel and maybe workout channel. Yeah, there are so many channels. And also I started uh, teaching English to Korean people. Yeah, because I want to increase my English fluently. So that's why I teach them, because teaching is the best way to increase someone's ability, right? So I started. Now I have 5 channels. Let me do that more. After starting YouTube, my life is quite more progressive. I feel so happy.